go. So, alright, let's go and I gotta run a few errands. I grab my gear, see if I can check out my CO1. I got a lot of video noise and I don't know, it's been browning out. Maybe just that. So, let's see. Oh. So if you want to follow me along, see what happens today. All right. So, welcome back. We made it to the park. I just noticed that those things right there, I won't be able to loop them or nothing because we're on soccer season, soccer practice, so we're gonna try to stage up here. They're mowing the grass and shit, so I gotta watch out for them. Hopefully I don't crash too hard, and hopefully I can show you some DVR. Like, again, sorry. We'll see. I'm really trying to see how this one is gonna fly. This is my CO1 from Rotor Riot. I got from a guy on Facebook, and I updated the flight controller to a JB flight controller, and I changed my camera. I don't know, we'll see what's gonna happen today. I gotta be careful here too because I got these people around me. So, I only brought a few batteries, so we're gonna find out real fast what is this gonna do. Hopefully, bam. It don't take me long to set up, but you know, I gotta switch this big TBS antennas out of here because if I crash, they'll strike my the props and the, you know. Game over. Already threw one away. All right. You know what? I'm gonna try this patch today, since I'm gonna fly out a little. Yeah. So that's me setting up. Here we got more. Let me get my radio out. The only bad thing about this and being by yourself is somebody shows up and could mess you up, you know. But hopefully we don't run into that. Welcome to OpenTX.
Welcome to OpenTX. Switch warning.
All right. Let's see. Let's see how this is gonna react. Like I said, I've been having issues with my my VTX. Well, not the VTX, actually my video. So it goes like TV out and comes back. So I don't know if I'm low in juice or what's going on. I already checked the wiring, everything was fine. I resolder them. Wow. So let's see. I'm gonna try to show you some DVR in between. If I not, you just hear me rumble. Sorry, I lost all my viewers already. It's okay. It's okay. If anybody watching me here at the park, probably be like, who's that loco crazy amigo over there? Alright. Well, moment of truth. I'm gonna try to hover it. We're on
102 minutes.
I'm gonna try to fly sitting down. I normally stand up, but since I'm by myself and I got poor setting here, hang on. Maybe I can do it this way or right here. We'll do this right here, and maybe I'll fly by here and you see me. So let's go, cause it's getting warm. So let's see. Let's check your crap. Turtle mode. Arm it. Make sure everything is working. Alright, everything seems to be working. Let's do a little quick hover. Let's try this. Oh, I hate when that happens. Alright, let's do this. So far I can see. Let me hurry up. It'll fuck up again. There we go. Alright, let's try this, people. Let's try this. What happened? There we go. I'm on air mode. Alright, so far so good. So far so good. I did change the tune on this, so I gotta make sure my battery, motors get hot. I don't hear no prop wash. It's not even complaining, so maybe I got it. Let's see if I can get close by us. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Alright, so you see, it browned out. It's turtle mode. Ooh, shit. That's aggressive. Alright, let's arm again. Let's come back. Make sure I don't got no damage. I hear something. Why is it browning out like that? I just slammed it on the ground. Alright. Whoa. So it did mess up my battery. But it's fine, nothing's hurt. Oh. 10 I got loose. So prop is low. Well, it seems like it's not liking the flips. So let me go again. Dang it. Let's go again and just cruise. Actually, let me check my motor real quick. Perfect. They're not hot, so the tune is working. But for some damn reason, whoa. I don't like that. So let's find out. I probably got a prop that's not right. Yep, right here. All right. And this one. Alright. There we go. That's how you check them when you put them end to end like this. And you just make sure you find a point of reference and go from there. Alright, let's go, because I'm still plugged in. This whole time I forgot the DVR. Alright. Well, I just want to kind of share this with you guys. Let me try again. There we go, that sounds better. Well, let's just cruise, I guess. I mean, it's flying real smooth. It's like every time I make a flip or something, I don't get it. If you can see what I can see, you can see that I'm good. I'm gonna pass by us. Again, here I come. Well, here's the truth. I got, woo, that was close. The truth is, I got, see if it fixes it. I wonder if it's because I do a punch out. I got a, what do you call that thing? A capacitor coming by. It should be arriving today in the mail. So I did a backflip there, not too aggressive, and it did just fine. You see? Well, you can't see but it did brown out again. I'm still in the air and then crash. Come and land because my battery is 14.5 volts. And kind of, I don't want to toast them, especially after getting hit. Alright. Hopefully this is not a long ass video.
Signal critical. Telemetry lost.
So the tune worked. Look, as you can see, I just got it. I can grab them. Nice. ESCs are nice. So, let me shut this off. It seems like I need that capacitor, excuse me, and solder to where it goes, and that should help me with brownouts and the video noise. So that should arrive. So what I'm gonna do is, since I can't go local on this one, and I already messed up DVR actually, let's do that. It's real simple for guys that blah blah. Alright. I don't know. My wife, oh, I gotta turn them on first. But what I'm gonna do is I'll fly my Hyperlight. It's the Flow Rider frame. And what I do is, I'll record this one and we can finish this video with a little bit of flying. It won't be from the CO1, but let's try this Hyperlight. Is the Flow Ride. This is the Flow Ride, sorry. But it's the Flow Ride, and I burned the ESC on it. It had all JB components, so all I did was, since it had the JB flight controller, I just added these ESCs, and that's it. So let's give this one a try, and I'll show you some video. And again, sorry about the quality. Just coming back to work Tuesday, and I should be start making that good money and buying stuff. Hopefully this guy don't come in here and be like, hey, you can't fly over here. But while he does that, we're gonna keep this going. So I don't know, I've been standing my batteries like that for some reason, and then I like how it flies. Pretty much everybody's preference. And the way I got my wires set up, I got them towards the back. It is kind of close to the prop, but it's like I didn't find a place around here. So, alright, well, let's switch here.
Welcome to
Check my
OpenTN.
battery.
Throttle warning.
Throttle warning.
0 volts.
There we go. Oh, I got all my stuff on race band 3. I don't know. Makes it easier, I guess. So let's make sure I don't burn this one.
101 minutes 5 volts RF
That's
signal.
good.
Critical telemetry loss.
You'll get it back.
Telemetry recovered.
You see?
100 minutes 5 volts.
Okay, I'm gonna stand up for this one. That. Get my goggles. Here we go. Oh wow. Okay. Here we go. There we go. Now I'm recording. I'm gonna adjust this real quick. Oh shit. There we go. I just freaking crashed. Something bad happened. Damn it, guys. It's always something. So, let's finish the day there. Let's go get this damn thing. That's beeping. So, this is the only part I don't like. Something just smacked me in the head. Wow. Going crazy. Oh wow. I don't know if you're gonna get that, but I had an airplane coming by. That was an honest mistake. I wasn't prepared. I started goofing around. That's what happens when you know, oh shit, we lost a prop. Like big time. Let's sort damage. So I'm trying to make this video short so you don't get bored of me, but that's how my flying goes. I fix them, I'll break them, fix them again, and that's how it is. So hey, but no broken arms or nothing. I do gotta order some because I noticed that this frame is not out there, I guess. And Pyrodrome, they do got some arms, so I might order some of them today. I do got some props here. I can probably, man, I smashed my batteries. But I don't know. I get frustrated and go home. Especially when you're by yourself. Yeah, you know, people tell me to find people to fly with you, and I tried. But I don't know. I'm not famous enough, or I guess that don't matter. I guess, but I don't know. I keep flying. I keep pushing. That's the thing. You gotta keep going, pushing yourself. No matter how many times you crash and break, that's how you get good. You get better as you practice. Crash, break them, you fix them. I didn't know nothing about this, and everything I've done, I learned on YouTube, to be honest. And just follow great guys, good guys that know their shit. You know, don't follow any dumb. Well, but yeah, but just surround yourself around good people. And if you're solo like me, well, you know, YouTube is your best friend. And not plugging nobody, because this guy doesn't even know me. But Joshua Barwell, he got some good videos. They're real good, and if he don't know it, he'll point you the right way. And that's why I like following him, because he's called Mr. Know-It-All, but if he don't know it, he'll find you somebody that knows it and points you the right way. Well, it's not about all that. There you go. You guys have a good one. I guess I go home and fix this and try to come back out, because I kind of want to take this one to the ground instead of the other one, because the other one's my I don't know, rotor riot, top of the line crap. But except the frame, you know, I don't have a flow, or what's the other one, bandolero, something like that. Yeah. All right, guys. Well, let's gonna take this home. Thanks for coming and hanging out. If you're still here, thanks a lot. I really appreciate it, and thanks, because this stuff motivates me to keep pushing myself forward and moving. I'm planning getting my stuff together to maybe I can do this for a living instead of driving a semi. I can do video recordings and do all that, but I'm gonna get my stuff together. I got some paperwork to do, some learning, some tests to take, and that's my goal this year. I'm trying to do that, and I don't know, it's probably start doing insurance work, checking roofs out and stuff like that. It's good money, and you do what you love, and I love this. I hate that stuff like this happens to me, but it happens to all of us. We break stuff, we fix it. To be honest, that CO1, I think I put those beefy motors in there, and I think that's all my problem. I'm getting a lot of noise, so I'm gonna put some filtration, some rubber stuff, rubber thingies on the motors, and I'll be back in the air. The other one, I just gotta put props on and come back. So I'm gonna leave you in that one. Now I go home, fix this stuff, edit, and hopefully you guys like this one and motivate me to make another one. Have a good one, guys, and stay in the air.